Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. Today's Inktober prompt is hide. So for this drawing, I had one idea of a person hiding in a kind of a box. That is what we are trying to do nowadays, isn't it? Like we are trying to hide from COVID-19 and the virus, and that somehow looks like this hiding. So it's quite relevant right now as far as this situation is concerned all over the world. So the prompts this year has been seriously pretty interesting. I mean, I'm not sure how the prompts are done. I have not checked how exactly the prompts are done or have not read any blogs by Jake Parker. But this time around I was quite impressed with the prompts, and I have loved to sketch all of them. This is the date 26 and Inktober has gone really well, like 25 days of drawing every day. That has been seriously very fruitful as an experience, and this challenge that I have to draw without the pencil work, that has also been brilliant. So the whole idea of drawing every day and keeping the practice has been really good with me. I hope you guys too have done the same. If you want to check how I have fared, you can go back to the whole playlist. I have got the previous 25 videos, and for sure there will be 4 to 5 upcoming videos for Inktober. Hopefully, because I'm sure I have got so many good comments from all of you that you can do it, and I'm sure with your love and support I surely can do it. Coming back to this drawing, as I said, I started drawing this imagination, like I had this idea. I saw a similar photograph on Google and then penned that same idea. So I started with my ball pen. I made this rough sketch of a woman sitting inside a box and kind of hiding. So that's where the tedious part a bit was of the fingers. I know I'm not that great with the hands, but for sure after Inktober I'm gonna bring something about hands. I'm thinking of different types of videos after Inktober, so please stay with me. I would love to share this space with you guys. I love to see your drawings over Instagram or anywhere you tag me. This has been a fascinating ride the past couple of months, and this is great. So guys, stay with me. And for this drawing again, the fingers were tough, but it seemed practical enough to just go one finger at a time. So that's what I tried to do. It took me a bit of time. You can see that this is a partially realistic timing of the drawing that I have done. I have tried to keep Inktober in the same tone, not too high in speed, because these drawings are simple. These are prompts, and I believe all of you can do it. Like I've got comments that I'm not sure whether I can do it. I've got DMs like, how do you do it? So it's all about practice. Trust me, it's not about materials. As I always say in every video, that it's not about materials. It never was. This is just a rupees 10. I don't even have a calculator to check how many cents it would be in US, but it would really be a very cheap pen. So using this simple, cheap, inexpensive pen, you can draw anything. So it's all about your mindset, trust me. And as I was saying, that after Inktober I've got lots of plans of drawing, so keep supporting me. If you have not yet subscribed my channel, then come on, you guys need to subscribe this. If you are a drawing fan, you would surely love my channel, I promise that. And I'm gonna bring high quality, better content, things of your suggestions and everything. So hopefully you guys will stay with me, and we're gonna create awesome art every day. And not only me, whenever I see your comments, it helps me grow. Similarly, if you watch my content and you start drawing similarly, then I can assure you that wherever you are, you guys can get better. I was not good in drawing, trust me. In fact, I was once, like long back, 15-20 years back, I was told by my drawing teacher, which I had for like 4 to 5 years. He said, even at the end of that journey, he said that you're so bad at drawing that even if you draw a cat, you have to write below that it's an animal. Otherwise, people will not even be able to recognize what that is, whether it's a thing or a person or an animal or whatever. You're really bad at drawing. But from there, nowadays people are able to recognize portraits, drawings, buildings, and multiple things that I sketch, multiple illustrations. I have got even rave reviews from different people on Instagram. I have sketched celebrities and they have commented down. So it has been a joyride. So I would always request you guys to keep practicing, never lose hope. Definitely, this is something everyone says. I'm no exception, because this has helped me. So guys, keep doing what you're doing. You will surely achieve greater results, better results, and things that you want in your life. So, and coming back to the drawing, I liked this drawing at the end because the use of ink was very free flowing this time, because I used the hair, and the light part I just did not use ink. That's it. I did not make too much of smudges, and that was phenomenal. I think this drawing has really been very inspiring to myself. I feel like I can draw again, draw the natural way that I do. So hopefully in the near future I can also try portraits with ink or watercolor. So this has been a brilliant experience drawing this one, and thanks to Jake Parker that I got this prompt. Thank you guys. So if you liked this video, then hit the like button. If you're not yet subscribed, then please hit the subscribe button and the bell icon, so that you get notified every time I upload a new video. And please share this to your friends and family, because I love to reach out to more people, and that will help me grow as an individual, as an artist, and obviously in my YouTube channel. So hopefully you guys will do that. I'm sure you will. So for the next video, I will see you tomorrow again. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy, and keep drawing. Trust me, you can do it. Bye.